I'm Sandy Towers, Director of Williamsburg Regional Library, and I'm proud of how this library has served the community through the years. It's evolved and changed. We have over 500,000 visitors each year and circulate over 1 million items, which shows how much this community values the library. A modern library is more than just books. It's a flexible space for community connections, digital learning, and creative exploration. The Williamsburg Library, while beloved, no longer meets the needs of modern library users. It's time to imagine the next exciting chapter in Williamsburg Regional Library's history.
This place has taught my children not only that libraries are huge, but that community is a place where they can find resources and help. And I'm so excited to think about the future of the Williamsburg Regional Library, because every time I go to a baby shower and people talk about strollers, I lean in and say, get a library card. That's what you need.
I call it's where the comfy, cozy, and the nosy people collide, and they are able to make things happen amazingly. This is the place where community comes together. We're in super support of all that's going on in the library, and you should be a part of that.
Spending money on a library is a long-term investment in our community. Researchers estimate that for every $1 invested yields anywhere from between $2 and $5 in return in direct and indirect value. And this is because libraries are not just about books. They offer a wealth of resources that uplift every segment of our population. There's really no other institution in our community that can do this.
My family and I have been coming to this library for over 50 years. And I know that the variety of services, the collections, the programming enhances our sense of community in ways that are too large to count.
The community is only as strong as the intersections that make it. So when you have a library, it is so much more than just a place to get books. It is a place where community happens.
It's a place, unlike most other places in our community, where people of very diverse different backgrounds and persuasions and beliefs and affiliations can be together in comfort and for common values.
We can't do this without you. Join us as we shape the future of Williamsburg Regional Library together. Learn more, get involved, and help us build a space where everyone in our community can thrive.